Hi friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel AIM Study Point. So guys, this lesson is going to be the most valuable lesson in your life, because in this lesson I am going to tell you few golden rules or few secrets about spoken English, because as of now you might have idea that if you want to speak English fluently, then you must be having knowledge about grammatical rules. But let me tell you today that if you don't know anything about grammar of English, then you can speak English fluently. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can become a fluent speaker of English without having any knowledge about English grammar. So let's get started. Remember, first thing, when you were born you had no idea about your mother tongue. Okay, so you had no idea about your mother tongue and any grammatical rules, but still you grew up and you learned your mother tongue without having any knowledge about the grammar of that particular mother tongue. Like, let me give you an example about myself. I speak Bengali, Bengali is my mother tongue, but I had no idea about the Bengali grammar, but I can speak Bengali fluently because it is my innate or mother tongue. I mean, I can fluently speak this Bengali language just because I kept trying, and my parents, my family, and all the society they speak Bengali, so you can learn from them. So you must understand that if you don't know grammar, English grammar, then okay, no problem, you can be a fluent speaker of English. Now today, just I'll be telling you the rules, the how to approach, how, I mean, what are the process, what are the ways that you need to follow to become a fluent speaker. The first thing you must understand, you must keep in your mind that you can be a fluent speaker just like a child learn his mother tongue without having any knowledge about the English grammar. Okay, and then one thing you should be clear that whatever your words should be clear. This is the second golden rules for spoken English. When you talk to someone, when you speak anything, your word, your pronunciation must be very clear. That should make some sense, because when you are speaking something and if you are not clear, then others people won't be able to understand you, others people won't be able to understand what you are saying. So you must be clear about your pronunciation, your word, so that others people can understand what are you saying. So you should be very clear about your words, so you should work one pronunciation of the word. So if you want to make that happen, then you should definitely use Google or any other dictionary, that what should be the proper pronunciation of any particular word, basically for English language. Any you pronounce it any word, and if you face problem, then you just Google it up. Okay, you just Google it, you will understand, you will get to know the what is the right pronunciation of that particular word. Okay, that is the second rules, your word should be very clear. Then let's talk about the third rules. The third rules is think in English. Okay, now your thought process, you basically think in your mother tongue. Okay, you basically think the language you prefer, you language you mostly speak. But if you start thinking in English, then this will make your work or make your task easier to speak English fluently. So try to think everything in English, and it is definitely possible. It is definitely possible. Let me tell you how it is possible. When you think something in English or in your mother tongue, basically maybe Bengali or Hindi, so you just start thinking about English, that what should be the translation of that particular thought process. What should be like, you are thinking about you are supposed to go to market. Okay, so you are supposed to go to market and you will buy few items in the market. So when you start thinking about that particular thought process, and if you start translating those things into English, you will start think in English, so that will make your task easier. And then consistency, like all the things that I'm telling you, you are doing this for few days, like 3 days, 2 days, or 5 days, or maybe 10 days. So this won't help you. You must be consistent at your work. You must do it for longer time, because if you keep doing for that for maybe 6 months, maybe 7 months, or maybe 3 months at least, then this will help you and this will have a good impact in your spoken English. Okay, so you must be consistent, so you should keep consistency. Okay, you should be regular, you should be regularly speaking English, and you should be regularly doing all the things that I'm telling you in this video. And then another golden rules that I would be telling you is reading newspaper, because since I told you that pronunciation is very much important and vocabulary is very much important, so how do you get to know so many vocabulary? So if you read newspaper on a daily basis, you will come across lot of unfamiliar words, and you will get to know those unfamiliar words. You will learn the meaning of that particular word. So you will keep getting lot of updates about vocabulary if you read newspaper on a daily basis. And then the last but not the least golden rules, that is the confidence, because because you will speak from your inner mind. So you should be having confidence. If you don't have confidence that I can speak, then you will never be able to speak English fluently. So you should be having confidence. You should have that particular confidence that I can speak English fluently. Yeah, you must do it for 3 months, 4 months, but you will make it happen within 3 or 4 months. So you should be having that confidence that I will make it happen. I will be speaking English within 2 months, within 3 months. Just make a plan, just make a goal, and set a target that within 3 months I will speak English. And you can speak English at anywhere, at any time. You should have that much of confidence in your mind. So if you keep following my channel, I just told you these golden rules, just follow them. And after that, I will keep uploading lots of videos on conversation of daily lives, and those videos will help you a lot to know about so many conversation. And you don't have to know a single rules about English grammar, but still you can speak English. So keep following our channel, keep following, and do subscribe, and do share this channel as much as possible, and keep just following our channel. You will get to know, and I guarantee you that within 3 or 4 months you will speak English fluently if you keep following my channel regular basis, and if you watch out every each and every video that I will be uploading on YouTube regarding this spoken English. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and you will be following my channel regular basis. So thanks for this, and see you in the next video.